Hello everyone. Welcome to Smart Dev. I'm Smita. I'm here with new series of video Know Your Body More with fact and tips. Today's topic is human skeleton. Yes, in this video I'm going to reveal you all about your bone. What this video contains. What is bone? What are bones made of? What does bone really do? Types of bones. Name of all the bones in human body. Facts about the bone. How does bone grow and what it requires to grow a healthy bone. Disease related to bones. Some health tips to maintain healthy bone. So be with me till the end of this video. At the end, I am going to give you some health tips to maintain a healthy bone. What is bone? Bone is a strong and durable type of metabolically active connective tissue that provide structural support, facilitate movement and protect vital organ. Also plays an important role in regulating mineral and production of blood cell. Vital organ means kidney and heart, lungs and brain, etc. Means your bone is a strong and durable which help you to maintain shape and structure of your body, help you for the movement, produces blood cell and stores mineral. What are bone made of? Bone is composed of extracellular matrix and bone cells. That is, bone contains water, protein, carbohydrate, in short, collagen fiber. Matrix, which has calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, calcium fluoride and magnesium, and 25% of water, 85% of calcium phosphate. Do you know, in an experiment, the bone has been put in an acid medium for a few days. After some days, when it has been observed, the bone was much flexible because it had lost all the mineral contents and only collagen remains. So mineral is the thing which gives rigidity to the bone. What does bone really do? Muscle attachment, which help us for the movement of our body. Protection to the vital organs, that is rib cage protect our lungs and heart, brain protected by skull. It gives our support to the internal organs to prevent trauma. Inside the bone, there is a bone marrow which produces all the type of blood cells. It also stores minerals like calcium, phosphorus, protein for the future use. When our body is unable to absorb it from the food which we have, our body uses calcium, phosphorus from our bone. The skeletal system. It is divided mainly into two parts: axial bones, appendicular bones. Axial bones contain head and torso, that is skull, vertebral column and thoracic cage. Appendicular bones has limbs, that is arm, leg, pelvis and shoulder. Do you know there are 5 types of bone in our body? That is long, short, flat, irregular, sesamoid. Long bones. Clavicle, that is neck bone. Humerus, that is our arm. Ulna and radius. There are 2 bones in the forearm. Femur, fibula, tibia. Femur is a thigh bone. Fibula is a lower limb along with tibia. Short bones. metacarpal, that is our palm, wrist, phalanges, that is our finger, tarsal bone, foot. Next is flat bones, scapula, shoulder, sternum, bone between our rib cage in the front, mandible, jawbone, ribs, irregular bones, that is our vertebral column, that is nothing but our backbone, coccyx and sacrum, that is end of our backbone behind the pelvic bone, sesamoid bone, that is patella bone, which is present at the knee joint. Names of the bones in human body: head, skull, there are 28 bones in the skull, neck, clavicle, thorax, rib cage and one sternum, it joins the ribs, hip, pelvic bone, two innominate bone fuse to form pelvic bone, spine, vertebrae, there are 33 vertebrae, at the back of the hip and end of vertebrae there is a sacrum and coccyx, which is fused bones, shoulder and back, scapula. Bone development. Human skeleton is composed of around 206 bones. At the time of birth, baby will have 270 bones in the body. Where do they go later? Because some bones will fuse together and the total number will be reduced to 206 as the child grows. Fact: bone growth starts inside the womb and stops as the person reaches 23-year-old in general. Normally for boys it is 16 to 18 years and girls 14 to 16 years. The process of bone formation is called as ossification. At the embryonic stage, bone is formed by mesenchymal cell. First forms cartilage, then ossified to form a bone. Embryonic stage means when baby is inside the womb. What is there inside the bone? There is a bone marrow. It is a spongy tissue which has blood supply, which is present in the cavity of the bone. The bone may look stronger from outside, but it is spongy from inside. There are two types of bone marrow, that is yellow and red. Red produces blood cells. Yellow contains fat cells. Fact: on birth, only red bone marrow is present. As the child reaches 5 years of age, it's gradually replaced by yellow cells. What is required for bone growth? Dietary source of calcium and phosphate salt, vitamin A and vitamin C, vitamin D for calcium metabolism, proper functioning of thyroid, parathyroid as well as pituitary gland, because the hormones secreted from these glands which help to stimulate bone growth. How to maintain healthy bone? So here are some tips. Keeping them strong requires eating calcium-rich food like dairy product, broccoli and some fish. Eat lots of vegetables. Vegetables are great for your bones. Consume enough protein. Get plenty of vitamin D and vitamin K. Exercise, especially weight-bearing exercise. Avoid smoking and drinking. Get your bone mineral density tested. Daily exposure to sunlight. How to maintain healthy bone. Here are some list of foods which is good for your bone health. Dark green and yellow vegetable which are rich in vitamin C, spinach, broccoli and cabbage. Poppy seeds, sesame, chia seeds, almond, figs, cereal, beans, fish, salmon, sardine, dairy product, yogurt, tofu, milk, curd, cheese. Disease condition related to bone. Fact: mineral gives rigidity to the bone. Fracture. Healing of a fractured bone happens even after severe damage, only if blood supply and cellular components survive. There are three types of fracture, that is simple, compound and pathological. Simple: the bone ends do not protrude through the skin. Compound: the bone end protrude through the skin. Pathological: weakened bone by disease. Osteoporosis, in which the bone has low density, which means bones are brittle and weak and prone to easily break, is far by the most common bone disease, usually seen in women after menopause. The body may not able to absorb much of the calcium from your dietary source, so it uses calcium from the bones, which makes the bones more porous. This condition is called as osteoporosis, where there is a risk of breaking the bone because the bone becomes in low density, which is prone to cause fracture. The condition related to the vertebrae, that is condition related to the backbone. Scoliosis, that is sideways curve of the backbone. Lordosis, inward curve of the lumbar vertebrae. Lumbar vertebrae in the sense the vertebrae present behind the abdomen. Kyphosis, where there is an increased front to back curve of the upper spine. Disease condition related to bone. Paget disease, a disease that disrupts the replacement of the old tissue with a new tissue. Ricket, a softening and weakening of bone in children, usually because of inadequate vitamin D. Osteomalacia, softening of the bone caused by vitamin D deficiency, can lead to bowing during growth, especially in weight-bearing bones of the leg. Osteomalacia in older adult can lead to fracture. Osteosarcoma, it is a type of bone cancer which begins in the bone forming cells. Osteosarcoma most often occurs in long bones that make up the arm and leg, although it can occur in any bone. It tends to occur in children and young adults. Symptoms include localized bone pain and swelling. Treatment typically involves surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. The skeletal system can support you for a lifetime of movement. Taking proper care of it ensures you can move longer, experience more, and have a greater health. This is all about your bone. Hope you enjoyed and gained some information from this video. My upcoming video is about the teeth. Thank you for watching SmartDew. Please click like if you like the video, share, comment and subscribe.